bye guys. I don't know what to do, so I'm super bored. And like, I went on some other dude's account because it wouldn't log me into my account. I don't know. I don't even know this dude. His name's Owen Peterson. Like, who the freak is he? What should we do? There's like literally nothing to do. I want to play outside, but my phone is at 6%, so download Block City Wars, Dog Sim, and Dragon Sim. They're really fun to play. And download Hooked. So yeah, bye.